Hello everyone, my name is CA Neha Agarwal from BISP Solutions, and in today's video I will tell you about the locations and how we manage locations in the Oracle Fusion financial applications. So what do you mean by location in Oracle Fusion? A location identifies the physical addresses of a workforce structure such as departments, business units, or inventory organization. So that means that location is nothing, just the address of any department or the business unit of the organization. Locations that we create exist as a separate structures and can be used for reporting purposes. So once we create any location, it is there in the system and can be used for any reporting purposes in at the later stage. We enter information about a location only once, and subsequently when we set up other workforce structures, we can select this location from the list. Location reference data sets, we can create locations and associate it with the reference data set. Only those users who have access to the set's business unit can access that location set and other associated workforce structure sets, such as those that contains departments and jobs. So as we can see, in the screen, the user can access the common reference data set relating to the location and also can have access to the specific reference data set which is containing the UK location set. So London, Oxford, Cambridge, Tokyo, Paris, and Berlin. All these locations can be accessed by the user who has been assigned for UK business unit. Now, how we manage locations in Oracle Fusion application? We can create and manage locations using the manage location task in the financial offerings in the implementation project. We'll go in the system and we'll go in the instance and see how we manage locations there. If we want, we can upload the locations through rapid implementation spreadsheets. If we have a list of locations already defined for our enterprise, we can upload them through the spreadsheet. Now we will go in the instance and see how we can create location using the manage location tasks. So in the instance, we'll select our project, Fusion Financial Project, and under that, we'll search for the task manage locations. We'll select the task and we'll click on the go to task icon. If the location is already created, we can search them by entering any detail over here, and then we can just click on the search button. However, to create a new location, we'll click on this create icon. If we have a specific reference data set, we can assign it to the location by selecting it from the search option over here. However, if there is no specific location reference data set, then we'll assign common set to the location. Now, we'll give the name of the location. So here we can give name like Fusion headquarter location. We can give some code for remembrance purpose. We can also add the description if we want, and we'll select the status as active. Now we can select the country. So I am selecting India over here. All the fields which are marked with X tick are important to be filled. Only then the location will be created. These information are provided by the client, and according to those information, we fill these details. So say I'll give the address line 1 as Makers Chamber 1, and city I'll select as Mumbai. Pin code I will enter as 40021. I'll select the state from the search option. And this way we can create the location and review after creating it. So once we'll click the submit button, our location will be created. In the same way, we can create the location or addresses of external organizations that we want to maintain, such as employment agencies, tax authorities, insurance, or other benefit carriers. These locations can be assigned to the business units and departments when we create those business units and departments in the system. Using this manage in spreadsheet option, we can also create the location. For that, we have to download the spreadsheet template and add our location information in that spreadsheet, and then we can directly upload it to the enterprise configuration. Hope you have understood how we manage locations in the Oracle Fusion applications. Thank you for watching.